Hello students, this is Mrs. Stowell. I just wanted to take a minute to go over how you can earn the best possible grade on your pretest. Remember, when you pass the pretest, it allows you to skip the assignments attached to that pretest. So it is super important that you take your time and do the best that you can on all of your pretests. First, pretest can be taken at school or at home, and either way, whenever you're logging in, you need to make sure you go to syslogin.edgenuity.com. It's right at the top of the screen. If you go to edgenuity.com, it will look familiar, but your courses will not be there. It may not even let you sign in. So make sure you go to syslogin.edgenuity.com and make sure your login screen looks like this. It says Student Information Systems on it. When you log in, it's going to take you to this screen. If you look at the top left, these are your messages. The student has 38 unread messages. They're probably missing out on some important information. Please make sure you check your messages regularly. When you're ready to go to your course, all you have to do is click on the blue here. From there, you're going to see this. I know you are very tempted to click Next Activity, and that makes sense. But if you want to access your pretests and your notes, you need to go here, which is the course name. So just by clicking up there on the course name and not clicking on Next Activity, it's going to take you to your course map. Your course map shows you all of the assignments and the pacing for those assignments. You can see here that this student is on a pretest. If she passes this pretest with a good enough grade, she will be able to skip those grayed out assignments. And you know that those are the assignments you can skip because it says pretest required. So if she passes this pretest, the pretest will become her quiz grade, and then she'll be able to skip these assignments. I know some of you guys have not had these courses in quite some time. So for example, my biology students, they took biology probably their freshman year. Now they're juniors and seniors, and they have not seen this information. So before you take your pretest, I would like you to click here, this plus sign on the right-hand side of the screen. It's going to take you here, which will show you your objectives for the unit and, more importantly, the guided notes. So in the guided notes, it'll show you pictures, diagrams, charts, graphs, equations. It'll even show you the important vocabulary terms. It's important to note that you see blank spots here. You're not cheating when you look at the guided notes. In fact, they want you to print them and take the notes with you as you move through the course. It is not required. You can take your own notes if you prefer, but if you have a printer at home and you want to print these, you can. The blank spots are for you to fill in as you move through the course. Again, it shows you all kinds of useful information that might help refresh your memory prior to taking the test or the pretest. Good luck, and I hope you have a great year.